tools, especially with AI now, are you using? What's your go-to stack?
ChatGPT all day long. I use it to help me brainstorm, to organize, to go granular. If you're trying to figure out what to offer, what product to have, think about what your overall niche is going to be. Say, what are the 10 steps to doing this? Like, I want to be a painter. What are the 10 steps to becoming a painter? Go to the first step. Say, what are the 10 steps of the first step? When it lists that, you have your first 10 videos that you can put on YouTube.
Can you tell us a little bit around, there's multiple platforms. It could be overwhelming for folks, right? Some people would say stick to one platform. Other folks would say have a tree trunk and have branches. And how do you deal with that? Because you seem to be pretty prolific on blogs, on social, and on YouTube at the same time.
If I had to choose just one to go all in on and I was not allowed to go anywhere else when it comes to content, it would be YouTube. YouTube has depth and analytics and algorithm that you cannot compare to any other place. Like, I think the closest you can get to is what Meta does with their ads. That's how granular and precise YouTube algorithm is. So what YouTube is doing is trying to make the viewing experience for the viewer as great as possible, as accurate as possible. So next time, go to your homepage on YouTube. Look at your homepage. Look at what it's feeding you. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
So when you put up a video, it takes the transcript and it says, okay, this video is about this thing. I'm going to put it in front of these people and see if they like it. Now, you can have the best video content in the world. You could be teaching something like that should be paid for. But if your packaging is bad, no one's ever going to click on it. And if they don't click, they don't watch it. So you need to have your thumbnail, that picture that's on your YouTube. The thumbnail needs to be clear. There's multiple things about that, but you can even look it up on YouTube. How do I have a great thumbnail? You need to have your title that needs to be a specific way, and then your hook, the first thing that you say. So the concept is part of the packaging. What is this video about? What's the point? The thumbnail and the title will get people to click, and then the hook, the first few words you say that reinforce the thumbnail and the title, will get people to stay because it's the payoff. And the longer you can keep people watching, the more that tells YouTube, oh, I like them. They want people on their site so they can sell ads. They can place ads. So the more you can keep somebody on YouTube for them, the more they like you and they put you in front of people. So all you need to do is have the right content, and YouTube will help you find the right audience.
Got it. What tools, especially with AI now, are you using? What's your go-to stack?
ChatGPT all day long.
What do you use it for specifically?
Everything. I use ChatGPT every day. I use it to help me brainstorm, to organize, to go granular. Like, one thing you can do is, like, if you're trying to figure out what to offer, what product to have, think about what your overall niche is going to be, the kind of lane you're going to be in. Say, what are the 10 steps to doing this? Like, I want to be a painter. What are the 10 steps to becoming a painter? It gives you the 10 steps. Go to the first step. Say, what are the 10 steps of the first step? When it lists that, you have your first 10 videos that you can put on YouTube, or your first 5 lead magnets, or your first name of your product. Okay, you can go more and more granular. Now, you may decide, I don't want to talk to beginners. I want to talk to people who have reached a certain point and they're over here, and that's where you can play with it. So I do it with that. I do it to create prompts. So I have Prompt Shop in a Box where I give you my 125 best-selling prompts, like the words that you put into ChatGPT and AI to have an output. And so that's the tool I use, is Prompt Shop in a Box. I use ChatGPT, a little bit of Claude, but the big one that I want people to take away is, and I'm not getting paid from them, I wish I were, Lovable. Lovable all day long. It's an AI agent that helps you build landing pages, helps you build products, lead magnets, the delivery. Like, I have different dashboards and OSs that I built vibe coded on Lovable, And then like one of them, Prompt Shop in a Box, just the sales page alone came from Lovable, has made me more than $100,000 since October. And then I have where I deliver the product on Lovable, which is like a full dashboard. There's one of them, YouTube OS, where I just give you everything I just described, but I give you the tools for it. Has 21 AI tools inside of it.
And you're building this yourself.
Yes. Well, it's Lovable. It's an AI agent.
No, I mean, you are in Lovable yourself.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, they did the 2025 Lovable wrap for the end of year. I'm in the top 1% of users because I use it so often, and also in the top 1% of viewers of my pages because I promote it with YouTube. So everything I've said today, I do. Right. That's why I want everybody to do it. It's not difficult, right? It's just like you go into Lovable, ChatGPT, you ask it, hey, give me a prompt to put into Lovable that will give me the best landing page for this, the sales page, the best copy, da 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 da. It'll give it to you, go to Lovable, plug it in. And it'll just give you 80% of a page, and then you just work with it. And then you can just, this would have taken weeks or months. And yes, like there are some people who are out of work because of this, because you're able to do it yourself. But if you are someone yourself who is a web designer or someone like that, this makes you Iron Man.
1,000+ folks are watching this. This is called the Owner Mode Summit because there's folks who are maybe in high-paying jobs, in W-2s. This idea of security is fleeting because of AI, because of geopolitical activity, you name it. But folks are now at a point where they're saying, I need to understand what I'm going to do. You specifically you've been really successful in building a brand that's been able to provide flexibility and options for you to live the life you want to live and make a good living while you're doing it. A lot of folks here maybe haven't built their social media presence. Maybe they're starting from scratch. Can you just speak to why it's so important to get started and what would be kind of in your opinion, the urgency of getting started sooner rather than later?
Ooh, I mean, they said recently there was a report that said every 12 weeks now, the tech stack completely changes on AI. And that's only going to accelerate. So it's not about like knowing everything that's going on in AI because we'll never catch up. The people who are the most advanced people don't know everything that's going on in AI because it'll always be changing. But if you don't get into the arena to understand the overall concepts, what is an LLM? What is ChatGPT, a large language model? What is an AI agent like Lovable? What does that mean that they get together and they do stuff for you? If you don't get those concepts and just learn a few simple things, then everything is going to feel so foreign to you that you will feel completely left out. And this is finally the meritocracy that Silicon Valley has been talking about for decades. It's finally based on anybody in the world can have the same access to the same tools and the same information and learn it. And when we are in a meritocracy, I know this for myself and I know this for the people I work with, Black people, brown people, women, LGBTQ+, etc. When we are in a meritocracy situation, we tend to overperform. Because when you put us on level playing field, we're really good, by and large. This is the moment for you to get on that level playing field so that you can outpace everybody. And then you can have options. So it's not about like, oh, I got to make millions, even though my book is your first million. It could be, what if I just replace my salary by putting up a Lovable page that makes money while I sleep? Or starting a school, SKOOL, that has 100 people in it and gives me an extra couple $1,000s a year because of different methods. So I teach this inside of my 5-day challenge. It's a free challenge. It's called the $100 offer challenge. So day one, I help you find your offer and I give you a custom GPT to do that, which is an AI tool. Day two, I teach you how to promote it. Day three, I teach you how to build the audience. Day four, I teach you how to sell it. And day 5, I teach you how to put it on automation so you can sell in your sleep. And it's all free. It's at arlansyourfirst5k.com. And hopefully you'll put that on the screen or send it out to people.
Well, we'll definitely follow up with that.
I want you to have this access. Right now, there are 10,000 people in it.
Mm.
10,000 people. It's real and it works.